it's Morgan with WTI.
This set of pillow covers from JIAHANNHA are so beautiful. They are just this gorgeous light gray color. I love the velvet. It is so soft and smooth, and I just think they look so fun and classy and glam. It adds a great touch to your decor, and I just think they are so beautiful. They are very easy to use. The zipper feels really good quality. There's no problem using it at all. Again, it feels so comfortable and so soft, something you can definitely snuggle up with, but they definitely hold their shape really well. The stitching looks awesome. It's really, really good quality, and I love that. I just think it looks so good in this guest room here. It just adds such a fun pop to your decor, and I love these a lot. Again, the light gray color is just so great. You can see in the sunlight too how it just shines and it looks awesome. And they are just so nice, gorgeous. I love that it comes in a 2-pack. I definitely recommend these. They're awesome.
I love these pillow covers, and that's my point of view.